Okay, good everyone. The question on the board says, draw the electronic configuration of chlorine and magnesium. State the group and the period. First of all, in the structure of an atom, the first shell should have maximum of 2 electrons, then every other shell should have maximum of 8 electrons. It can't have more than 8 electrons. Then for the group, you get the group the atom belongs to by the number of electrons in the outer shell. Then you get the period the atom belongs to by the number of electron shell. Okay, now let's go for this. The first one says chlorine. Chlorine have atomic number of 17. So on the structure should be 2, 8, 7. 2 plus 8 should be what? 10 plus 7, 17. So to draw it, the first shell should have 2 electrons. Second shell should have 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the third shell should have what? 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so looking at this, for the group, remember I said the group, you get a group by the number of electrons in the outer shell. In this last shell, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this chlorine belongs to group 7. Then for the period, you get the period by the number of electron shell. By the number of electron shell. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 shells there, so this chlorine belongs to period 3. Then going to magnesium. Magnesium have atomic number of 12. So the structure should be this way: 2, 8, 2. 2 plus 2 should be what? 10 plus 2, 12. So the first shell should have 2 electrons. Second shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the last shell should have how many electrons? 2. 1, 2. So with this, 2 plus 8, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, so for this magnesium belongs to group what? Group 2. For period, it belongs to period 1, 2, 3. Period 3. So this is the answer to the question. If you find this interesting, please like, comment, share, follow my page, subscribe to my channel. Thanks and God bless you. Bye-bye.